go. Stop recording. Grr. There it is. Okay. Morning, everybody. Today is Monday, April 20th, and I'm going to click on the day to show you exactly what you need to do for today. Once you click on the assignment, you'll see that you need to read chapter 18, and then there's a Nearpod open-ended question about theme. So you'll be thinking about the theme of the story. The Nearpod code is right here for you, okay? Also, if you look, you can click on this right here, Nearpod theme, and it will take you directly to the Nearpod. Put that code in right here so you can copy and paste the code, go on in there, and then answer one question about theme, okay? There is the PDF version of the story. You know, we always include that in case you need it. It's there for you for quick reference. And of course, Mrs. Anderson reading chapter 18 is in there as well, okay? Let us know if you have any questions. You can reach us by email. Some of you may have Miss Anderson's cell phone number. She's been letting some students text her, so if you need her, just email her. Otherwise, hopefully we'll see all of you tomorrow at our Google Meet at 2 p.m. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.